Cal students to the homework help video, page 572, numbers 49 through 52, A and B. And I'm going to go ahead and write these up here today. I'm not going to have them already done out of the book for you. I'm just going to copy them up here. 49A is sine of theta equals 0.0145. So they want us to find it in degrees and radians. So our degree answer, make sure your calculator is in the degree mode, and then you want to hit inverse sine 0.0145. Enter, and you will get point. That doesn't look right to me. Hold on 1 second, students. Make sure I'm in degrees, and I am. And let's see. Inverse sine of 0.0145 is going to be 0.83 degrees. Okay, so we'll go ahead and write that down, 0.83 degrees. And now let's quickly take our calculators and change over to the radian mode. It takes just a second, and then hit inverse sine 0.0145, and you should get this for your radians, 0.01450050082. I'm going to put 0.015 to round, and so here's your degrees and here's your radians. Let's take a look now at 49B, and that's going to be sine theta equals 0.4565. So I'm already in the radian mode with my calculator, so I'm going to hit second sine and then 0.4565, and the radian answer is going to be 0.4741. That's the radians. And then I'm going to quickly take my mode, go over to degrees, and hit inverse sine 0.4565, hit enter, and the degrees will be 27.1614. So there we go. Moving on now to number 50A. Number 50A, and it looks like it would be cosine theta equals 0.9848. So we're going to find the angle so that when you take the cosine of it, you get 0.9848. So inverse cosine, my calculator is already in degrees, 0.9848, hit enter, and you're going to get 10.0025578 degrees. So we'll just say 10 degrees. Okay, and then for radians, quickly go to my mode, scroll down, hit enter on radians, and we're going to go second cosine of 0.9848, and the radians would be 0.1746. I'm going to round up there, and so there's your radians. Okay, let's take a look at 50B now real quick. 50B, and 50B is the cosine theta. Cosine of theta equals 0.8746. Okay, I'm already in radians, so I'm going to hit second cosine and then 0.8746, and the radians would be 0.5062 if you round correctly. And then quickly change your mode over to degrees, and inverse cosine 0.8746, and the degrees will be 29.00, so I'm just going to call that 29 degrees. Okay, moving on to 51A. 51A, tangent of theta. Tangent of theta equals 0.0125. I'm already in degrees, and so we're going to hit second tangent and then 0.0125, and you will get 0.7162 degrees if you round correctly, 0.7162 degrees. Okay, now let's go ahead and take our calculators, change our mode over to radians, and then we'll hit second tangent 0.0125, and for radians we will get this 0.0125 radians. Okay, so if you take the tangent of this in degrees, you will get 0.0125. If you take the tangent of this right here, you will get same thing actually, 0.0125. Okay, which is somewhat of a coincidence, but it is the correct answer. Okay, moving on to 51B. 51B would be the tangent of theta such that you get 2.3546, I believe. No, that'd be a 5. 3545. Okay, I'm already in radians, I believe, so we're going to go to second tangent and then hit 2.3545, and the radians would be 1.1692. So there's your radians. Okay, now I'm going to quickly go over and change my mode to degrees, hit enter, and then second tangent 2.3545, hit enter, and we're going to get 66.98. So I'm just going to call that 67 degrees. Okay, 2 more problems left and we're finally done. It's probably one of the shortest homework videos I've ever done. 52A is going to be the sine of theta such that it equals 0.3746, and I'm already in degrees, and so we're going to go with second sine 0.3746, and the degrees will be 21.999, so I'm going to go ahead and put 22 degrees. Okay, and then I'm going to go over to my mode, change it to radians, and then hit second sine 0.3746, hit enter, and my radians would be 0.38396. So if you round correctly, 0.3840. Okay, so there's your answer in radians. All right, moving on to 52B. 52B, which is cosine of theta, equals 0.3746. And so here we go. Let's quickly type into our calculators. First of all, I'm already in the radian mode, so I'm going to do radians first. So inverse cosine 0.3746, and the radian answer is 1.1868. And then the degree answer would be, let's go to our mode real quick, and we'll change it over to degrees, and inverse cosine 0.3746, and the degrees would be 68.000407444. So I'm just going to say 68 degrees. Okay, it's very, very important, students, that you know how to convert, or not convert, that you know how to find missing angles using a calculator. And so I hope this homework help video has made sense. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email.